Hi, friends. India has no national language, but do you know how many official languages we have? Stay tuned because in just few minutes, you will master this topic for your exams. Let's learn about the official languages of India, which are the most spoken languages, what is classical language status, and some more key facts. Article 343 defines India's official languages. Hindi and English are the official languages of the central government. India has over 1,600 languages and dialects, showcasing its rich linguistic diversity. States have the power to set their own official languages, promoting regional identity and inclusivity. Hence, India's language policy reflects its unity in diversity. When the constitution was adopted in 1950, the 8th schedule originally listed only 14 languages. Assamese, Bengali, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Malayalam, Marathi, Odia, Punjabi, Samskrita, Tamil, Telugu and Urdu. In 1967, Sindhi was added to the list. Then in 1992, Konkani, Manipuri, Nepali were included. Finally, in 2003, Bodo, Dogri, Maithili and Santali became part of the 8th schedule, bringing the total number to 22 languages. These languages are used in government, administration, communication, education and competitive exams like UPSC and state-level exams. They are also recognized by cultural bodies like Sahitya Academy to promote their literature and linguistic heritage. 8th schedule helps to preserve India's diverse languages, ensuring that our rich linguistic traditions continue to thrive. India's multilingual identity is its strength, bridging cultures and connecting people. Memorizing all 22 languages may seem tough, but let's use a trick to make it super easy. Indian languages can be categorized into four major language families. Indo-Aryan languages form the largest language group in India. 14 languages from this group are recognized in the 8th schedule, spoken by nearly 75% of Indians across North, West, and East India. These languages include Hindi, Bengali, Marathi, Gujarati, Punjabi, Sindhi, Odia, Assamese, Maithili, Urdu, Konkani, Samskrita, Dogri, Kashmiri, and Nepali. Next comes Dravidian languages, which are South India's linguistic pride. Primarily spoken in South India by nearly 20% of Indians and has rooted in ancient history and rich literature. The four major Dravidian languages are Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, and Malayalam. Austro-Asiatic languages are Northeast India's vibrant heritage representing unique tribal cultures. Santali and Bodo are the two recognized languages in the 8th schedule spoken in parts of Northeast and Eastern India. Manipuri is the only language in the Tibeto-Burman language family representing the tribal heritage of Eastern India. Let's learn about classical languages. To be a classical language, a language must have a long history of at least 1500 years. It should have extensive ancient texts and literature available and should not have any borrowed linguistic roots. India also recognizes 6 classical languages for their historical and literary importance. Tamil in 2004, Samskrita in 2005, Kannada in 2008, as well as Telugu in 2008, Malayalam in 2013, Odia in 2014. Now let's dive into the most spoken languages in India and globally. In India, the top 5 most spoken languages are Hindi, Bengali, Marathi, Telugu and Tamil. On a global scale, Indian languages are widely spoken. Hindi, which forms third most spoken language in the world, Bengali 7th, Punjabi is spoken by 125 plus million speakers, popular in India, Canada, UK and USA, followed by Telugu, Marathi and Tamil. Tamil is widely spoken even in Sri Lanka, Malaysia and Singapore. India's languages connect millions of people worldwide. Let's learn some key points related to this topic. India does not have a national language. India is also an official language at the national level but is not part of the 22 scheduled languages. Sanskrit is considered one of the oldest languages in the world. English is widely used in business, law, and education, making India one of the largest English speaking countries globally. Many states may have more than one official language and offer education in regional languages to promote linguistic diversity. Some languages have state level official status but are not in the 8th schedule. For example, Tulu in Karnataka and Kerala and Khasi in Meghalaya. Some languages have multiple scripts. For example, Kashmiri and Sindhi use both Pasho, Arabic, and Devanagari scripts. Sindhi and Nepali are among the non-Indian origin languages included in the 8th schedule. Languages play a vital role in India's culture, governance, and identity. This is why they are an important part of the competitive and government exams. If you are preparing for such exams, here are some key questions to test your knowledge. How many official languages does India have? It's two, Hindi and English. How many scheduled languages are there in the Indian Constitution? Answer is 22. How many languages were in the original 8th schedule? 14. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the official languages? Article 343. Name the first language to get classical status in India. We discussed this earlier. It's Tamil and it was in 2004. Which constitutional amendment added Sindhi, Konkani, Manipuri and Nepali to the 8th schedule? 71st Amendment. Which Indian language is widely spoken in Canada? Answer is Punjabi. Which Indian state has Urdu as its official language? Jammu and Kashmir. Which constitutional article deals with the promotion and development of Hindi as the official language of India? Article 351. Let's see some of the questions which may appear in the mains of civil exam. Critically, examine the three-language formula proposed by the National Education Policy (NEP 2020) in the context of India's linguistic diversity. What are the challenges associated with its implementation? The national language debate has implications on Indian pluralism. Critically analyze. The inclusion of languages in the 8th schedule is a recognition of their cultural significance. Discuss the process and implications of adding languages to the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution. In this table, I have listed the 22 official languages of India, their scripts, and the states or union territories where they are spoken. Please take a look. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.